Hello everyone. Today's topic is running to catch the train. Have you ever run to catch a train and still missed it? Yesterday I was late for the railway station. I was running very fast. My heart was beating quickly. The train started moving slowly. I tried my best but missed it. I felt tired and disappointed. Next time I will leave home earlier. If you want to improve your daily English speaking, subscribe now and practice with me every day. Follow for daily English speaking practice. Thank you.